Okay, we are live, but why is it showing? Okay, we have 4 people already. That's interesting. Hello everyone. Hind Army, yeah, he's back again. Yes, we are back, guys. We are back. Today I'm doing it a little bit early because usually it's getting too late for me. Yesterday I slept at around 11. Like I moved away from here at 11:30, and it took me a while to sleep. It took me like around 2 a.m. to sleep properly because my mind was still not in the zone of sleeping. So I'm planning to do today till 10:30, and then we'll do my like a sleep routine for 1 hour and sleep by 11:30 and 12. That's what I'm hoping for. Rishabh Das, hey, what's up? Hey, Rishabh, welcome back, man. Israr, the OG. Hello, Israr. Guys, did you see my recent video I published today? Any feedbacks on that? Shadow, yo. Hey, Shadow, welcome back. Please do give some feedback on if the stream is not right, like the audio and all, my audio versus the background music and all. अथर्व, हाय अथर्व. ऋषभ, चलो आज मैं भी कोडिंग करने बैठा हूँ. वेरी गुड ऋषभ. Do share what are you working on, and in the next 2 hours we will share what we did. So today my day was very nice, like very productive day. I published the video in the afternoon. In the morning I finished one like a core feature of auto aerials, the app I'm currently testing, and I'm planning to release it like a next version with the proper onboarding, like a new onboarding with email and all, by this week. Yeah, that's one of the core tasks. Harshit, hey Harshit, yo, you're working on something, Harshit, today? Rishabh, audio and video right for me. Cool, thank you, Rishabh. This is good. So what I was working on, yes. Rishabh, I'm just working on a simple to-do app which me and my friends are planning to scaling up with some different features. Just a fun side projects. Very interesting, Rishabh. I would love to know what you guys are doing differently on a to-do app. Different features, and what are those different features? Like, what is the differentiator? Harshit, chilling now. Tomorrow I'm going to Delhi. Cool, Harshit. Yeah, that's great. How is the weather in Uttarakhand? It's cold, I guess. Vivek, hi Vivek. So Vivek, yesterday you mentioned a lot about windsurf. I'm really planning to use it now. Uh, so one of the cool feature was fun is like I think it's $15 now, compared to like Claude's $20. And I also found one thing very cool in it, like yeah, internally it is all like all of them are using Claude's 3.5s on it. So it's basically you're saving $5. Very cold Nainital में snowfall भी हुआ है परसों. Oh nice, Harshad, did you see the snowfall? Or did you went there to see the snow? Emre. Hey, welcome Emre, welcome from Turkey. So currently I'm looking at some docs which are like prompts for PRD generation, because I think I want to clean it up, the feature set on this, and let's see how good the ChatGPT performs on this, the O1. Mm-mm. Krish, hey, hello Krish. This is not great. Yeah, I'll try this prompt. Let's see. Israr, hello sir, क्या हाल है? Hey Israr, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Discord server. Oh yes, we have a Discord server. Let me. Yeah, let me share the Discord link, guys. Here's the Discord link, guys. If anyone who is not here, please join. We will be starting to share updates there. So we just started this community yesterday, and I did not get time to look into this. Like, I'm planning to make few other things, some groups and few mods to help like structure things properly. But yeah, we all can like start sharing cool stuff which we find online, and sharing is caring. Israr, I'm good too. I learned exactly how to utilize AI for development. It's working like crazy for me. Oh yeah, I understand that feeling, Israr. Once you get a hang of it, there is no going back. Krish, hey Divyanshu, I am a final year of my college and have been searching for internship, but still no luck. I think I have intermediate level skills. What do you suggest? Krish, you're in a final year. Keep trying, man. Like, try building some projects by yourself with AI. Help of AI, it's pretty easy. Build 2 3 projects, and whenever you are applying, share those links with the recruitment team. And when they see someone has built like something from scratch, it gives you more like credibility compared to others. So yeah, and also it boosts your confidence as well once you make something from your by yourself. Rishabh joined the Discord server. Cool, man. I'll see you guys on Discord as well. 9:30 a.m. AST. How? What time is it? 9:30 a.m. EST to IST. 7:30 p.m. Yeah, that sounds good. Yes, sounds good. EST is 9:30. Yes, that sounds good. I go to ChatGPT and explain the project, followed by the small part of where I want to start from, and then I ask it to write a prompt for another AI and explain me the technicality so well. Nice. Yeah, that's a cool thing. You are talking to ChatGPT for the prompt to ask on Cursor, maybe. That's very interesting. So yesterday I was talking about this 21st dev, right? So one cool thing which I was testing out today was, it's not just you can install these templates. You can copy the prompt. As you see here on the top right, there is a copy prompt section. Instead of installing this, you can directly come to like Cursor. You can copy paste this thing. The whole prompt is copied, and with like do not remember the components code, it creates this code, all the files. So it's a directory of prompts for cool components. So yeah, I think that's a differentiator, and that's why people are going crazy over this tool. I think in Product Hunt, this was the number one product for that day. 942 upvotes. Yeah. Keshav, hey Keshav, Israr, and then I give that to Bolt and ask it to understand the requirement. Ask me questions if you don't. This is important than before giving code. Nice, Israr. I am really happy that you are getting good results with Bolt, because in the past few days, my luck has not been that great with either Bolt or this V0. Even I tried something else, Lovable, if you guys know about it. Lovable dev, this one. Where were we? It explains the requirement and asks some follow-up questions. You rectify AI's doubt, and then you have perfect feature. I completed my 2 days work in 30 minutes. That's so cool, Israr. That's I think you can get the third job with this speed. Kaushik Bora. I texted you on live last about my rejection in interviews yesterday. I cleared technical round 2 for SD intern role at a PBC. I have the last HR round tomorrow. Just here to say thanks for your advice. Hey, Kaushik, that's great, man. That's so good to know. Today's MVP is Kaushik for getting a new internship. HR round you will clear easily, I guess. Where is my ChatGPT? Yes, here. Let's see what it's saying. Try asking AI to ask you questions like if it understands your requirements and before start writing code for you, it will have conversation with you and then brings you both on the same page. Cool. I'll try this. I try this as well. I'm so disappointed so far with Bolt New and all. Maybe this will reinstate my belief on them. Hey, there's an official Telegram coding contest happening, but I am having trouble understanding it. Could you explain it to me? Hey, Keshav. Yeah, shoot it here. Maybe someone from the team can look into that. Sorry, in the chat list from some members. Why is the music not playing? Okay, let's say how hip hop beats are. I want something like this. And hey, it's me back here. Hey, hi, Hen. Israr, add Nightbot. No, Nightbot? You mean in Discord? Your live chat made simple. Nightbot is a streamer tool for automating live chat message moderation and more. What does it help with? Here in live chat. Okay, let's see if I can. Are you talking about this Nightbot? Oh, that's so cool, Israr. Thank you. Let me just install it immediately. This is so cool. This is like a community work you guys are doing here, like giving me such cool advices. I'm so noob on this streaming. Okay, so it's saying commands. I can create a new command which would be Discord. Cool. So I would say Discord. Join me in Discord. I can create a new invite people, edit invite link. I want to make it for generate new copy. Okay, create. Okay, I just created. Can someone try testing it? You guys adding some tools in the server. So Samrat, we are not adding on server, but on the chat here, this is using Nightbot, which Israr suggested. It's not working so far. Why is it not working? Guys, is it working? Maybe it will work from next stream, not sure. Okay, maybe. Uh, because in the commands I have created this command, and if I go to this setting in connections, it's saying no connection. I am not sure this is what it's supposed to do. Integrate with Discord for command sync rules. No. Vivek, bro, Mark Benioff said Salesforce won't hire new software engineer in 2015, and Zuckerberg is talking about automating mid-level engineers at Meta this year. What do you think about this? Hey Vivek, so I talked about this yesterday in my stream in the first 30 minutes, quite extensively. So yeah, there are a lot of things. I was checking today Twitter and I saw some post that Meta is hiring offshore engineers from India. I don't know if it was true or not, but they are hiring a lot from India now, as remote for their US team, who will be working with their US team. So it could be that they want to position their code, like their LLM, which is Llama, as a in so high regards. They are making this statement as a leader that our LLM will be so good that it will be good as a mid-level engineer. Now this is just a statement which he's making. I mean, because he has a direct monetary benefit for saying such statements, because the investors will have higher belief in him, that how good of a LLM these guys are building. Similarly, Mark Benioff, the Salesforce founder, he's saying this because Salesforce has invested heavily on creating these in tools which are AI agentic, like AI agent tools. So saying this again makes their investors believe in them much more, so their stock market or shares go up. Similarly, the Nvidia CEO saying the same thing. I mean, they've been saying this from a long time. It does not discourage me, but we as engineers who are core working with these LMs, we know where the technology is. Definitely it's not there yet, it can do everything by itself. It needs people like us. It's just easier for us. Right now, you know how fast we can build features with just talking to AI, so it's faster for us, but it's not a replacement for an engineer as of now. This is what I believe. Hint, Vivek, what? Nightbot is working, guys. Cool. Thank you, Srar. Just checking if the bot is working, but should not allow my chat to be shown. What? Nightbot's working. Yes, Nightbot's working. Cool. Thank you guys for checking it out. It's very interesting tool. What else we can do with this? There are song requests. What? Song request disabled. Do I want to enable song request for now? It's taking them from, I don't know what. I need your suggestion. I'm thinking to get this course, animations dev. I have always been a CSS nerd. What is that, animations dev? Animations.dev, you mean? How do you craft animation that feel right? Taught by ML Kolowski. How much is it? $200. $200 worth of what they are teaching about. Coding animations is okay. So Theo is talking about it. Is this the same guy who created ShatCN? No, I guess. So my personal take on courses is I would take them if I don't find this information anywhere and they make me like learn something quick. Like if I can learn this in by taking this course, I can learn something worth of 1 month in like 3-4 days. I would definitely take it. And I took one like recently. What I bought was Tailwind CSS component. This one. So they have a pro version. Yeah. So yeah, if you are really interested and you want to learn it, I would highly suggest, like Theo has, there's a Theo face. So I trust this is a good one. But yeah, go with it if you are really interested in CSS and designing like this. Today's new MVP, Nightbot. Nightbot has not done anything good yet. So Israr, you are still the top contender. Under PPP, they are giving 60% discounts. Wow, what is PPP? Oh, paying purchase parity, something like that for Indians. Purchase power parity. Yep, cool. So guys, I'm just playing with this tool, Nightbot. So let's, like, all of you just send one message. You all will be part of this giveaway, and then we'll choose a winner. And whoever, I don't know, I just want to test it out. So we'll choose a winner, and he will be the MVP of the day. So we have already 2 people, Hind and Israr. Anybody else who wants to join can just send a message, anything, and your name will be in this list. And we'll see who wins. Meanwhile, I can just do some work at least. What is that? Add media and this button. Chill guy in giveaway. I am not sure I like this guy. I don't know. We'll decide based on who wins. Oh, nice. We have. What is the giveaway? Nobody knows. Not even me. I don't know. What is the giveaway? I'm just testing this feature. How does it work? No sound? What? There is no sound of what? Add me in. Okay, so guys, you are in. So these are the people who are in. Happy Life is also here now. Hey Buddy is here. Nice, nice guys. We have a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's here. 7 entries. Let's do this. Drum roll. Choose a winner. Click. Oh, Rishabh Das is the winner. Is it? Waiting for messages? What? What's happening? Okay, congratulations, Rishabh Das. You won a giveaway. Nice. Rishabh won. This was interesting. I don't know what you won, Rishabh, but yeah, you have 1 credit in this stream now. What's happening? Reroll winners. Reroll, reroll. No, this is just randomly picking one. Christian, you won the giveaway. Vivek, you won the giveaway. Rana, you won the giveaway. Guys, I fucked up here, I guess. Everyone won. This is a Oprah show now. Everybody win. Okay. Let's do something here in the timeline. Preview area is what? Sounds perfect. It was my buds. Yeah, it happens to all of us sometimes. Hey, buddy, I want something if you don't mind, buddy. Sure, buddy. I don't mind, buddy. Hint, multiple winners. Yeah, that's my bad. Isra, representative, how unlucky. Yeah, they were like 7 people and 4 win. 5 people won. I think the remaining 2 were the lucky ones then. Is it telling to everyone? Yes. Winner get to be part of coffee with 100 like-minded people. Oh, that's interesting. Where do you guys live? Where do you guys live? Not like exact location, state in India. I know one of us is in Turkey. Other, I don't know. Krish, what are you building? Krish, I have put a message as a pin. So this is a web app. I was hoping to be a bit more productive today, but yeah, it's okay. I'm already happy that I completed a couple of tasks in the day session. So it's cool. We can chill a bit. Oh yeah, Isra, you live in Mumbai. Right. So yeah, coffee. We can do a coffee whenever I'm in Mumbai. Bangalore, Vivek, nice. You're near. Krish is from Rajasthan. Awesome. I wanted to check my new project if you don't mind. I wanted you to check. Yes, sure. Share the link. Happy Life, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Oh, wow. We have a person from different state. That's so cool. Sanket from Pune. Nice. You will have to help me with getting housing. Oh, Israr, yes. If you win this next giveaway, I will help you. It's inspired by Mark website books. Kalak. Who is this Mark and what's this website? Books Clark? I don't know. Vivek, but my native is Karwar near to go. Oh, Karwar is in the, I think in the south. I have seen the board sometimes going to the south. You guys not getting the point of the selecting winner. The one who doesn't gets the winner are winners. Yes, it could be. I don't even know what you guys have won. Was this timeline view? Krish, I made a project for my college. It lets the activities events newsletter. It lists the activities. Very interesting, Krish. Maddie, भाई podcast का क्या हुआ? मैं नहीं. Hey Maddie, I think you messaged me on LinkedIn, right? I saw the message. I'm really sorry. I completely forgot to reply there. Uh, Podcast. Yeah, I mean, I'll reply to your message and let's see how we can do that. Let's see. We can arrange something. My phone is currently on the this keyboard view. Otherwise, I would have replied you now. But yeah, let me add it as a reminder somewhere in my Notion. Yeah, I had a 1K task from the chat was Discord community. That is done. So reply to Maddie about the pod. Done. I'll do that most probably tomorrow morning or after this stream. Hey buddy, man. What buddy? Happy life. I like watching your streams while savoring my dinner and then I build projects from 11 to 4. Whoa, happy life. You are killing it. 11 to 4. That reminds me of my days in 2013 to 2016. I used to sleep at 5, 6 in the morning. But then I found out how bad it was for productivity and for my mental health. Or maybe not. That was the time we have energy. So it's okay. But yeah, now I can't wake up past 12. I feel like killing myself in the meantime. Yeah. Rana Z, how old are you? I am old, man. I'm old. I'm 30 plus. Okay, I was checking the web app. It was called Warm. Okay. It was called Human. Or was it? Rana ji, ayo uncle. Oh, shit. Uncle Ji in the chat. Dev Uncle is back. Guys, it's okay. You all will be old one day. He has a whole decade of experience. That's public. Where is this file? I'm still amazed by the fact that you look younger than me and I'm 20. Again, Israr, I'm humbled. Just drink a lot of water. That's the power of this. Or I am like this Brian Johnson. I'm on a reverse aging protocol. What blueprint protocol? By the way, you look like a 25-year-old. Thank you, Rana. I feel like 22. That's like 3 years older than what I think of me. But yeah, I'll take that as a compliment. So the thing is, I'm not able to think of a way to how can it create a view here which would be a timeline. Basically what I want is it should have a layer, 2-layer system, and one of those layers should have a lot of features like dragging, size feature. So a hook would be the best idea. Maybe I should talk a bit about this to an AI first. Let's do this with Chan. Take the image. So ChatGPT is fine. मिस्टर एक्सेप्शन, ये कौन सी ऐप है? दिस इज GPT मैक ऐप, चैट GPT. So what is it? Core feature is multiple layer: video layer, main, audio layer, animation layer. Okay. Draggable, each timeline should be draggable. Okay. Resizable, yes. Splittable, layer interactions, yes. State management, efficient linear drag, resize, yes. Layer structure design, each layer should be a row on the timeline. Here's a suggested main video. Extra, yes. Each layer will be have timeline view clips inside. For example, video clip 1, clip 2, clip audio, animations, timeline. It's a breakdown of the core behavior. Dragging drag horizontally within the timeline, yes. The start time of the clip, constraint, resizing, allow, yes. Splitting one is splitting. Hook based abstraction, we can abstract the core logic into reusable hooks. Use draggable clip, use resizable clip, use timeline state, use a split clip. मिस्टर एक्सेप्शन, आपने भी बनाई थी इस तरह की कोई ऐप? यस मिस्टर एक्सेप्शन, थैंक यू फॉर, आई थिंक यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आई थिंक आई हैव रिमूव्ड दिस ऐप फ्रॉम मैक, दिस स्टूडियो. It's in my MacBook Air. Yes, I did make one app where it was in my menu bar and I can just talk to it. Back then, I didn't had access to the ChatGPT app, but now it makes so much sense. Like if I press Alt space, this shows up. So yeah, anywhere I can click. Plus, it has a lot many features. One of the feature which I really like, this cursor thing. So it can access my cursor notion directly from as a context. It can get directly from this app. So, and it has a web search, plus I can change these models on the GPT models, but yeah, very useful. And I think this is the reason I'm paying for this GPT, otherwise there was no reason. The ease of the software which these guys are building, these are so smooth, so many features. By the way, any one of you is using the advanced chat mode, advanced voice mode, sorry, in chat GPT? Prithviraj, am I late? Hey Prithviraj, you are right on time. I'll be sitting here for till 10:30. So yeah, we already have we have been sitting here for 8:30, so we have one more hour. Yes. I'm just brainstorming this idea with ChatGPT for now. This is the main component. Here could be these layers. Now it should not depend on how many layers I have. They will always be exceeding, right? But each layer has few functions. What is that? That function, it's draggable horizontally, split between, reduce the width from any corner, right or left. Prithviraj, no day stream today. Yeah, Prithviraj, I'm thinking to do these streams in the evening. I think the type of work I do, it's best suited with the streams, like light work, which does not require a lot of focus. In the daytime, it was becoming like my other things were getting affected. I tried that on Monday, and yeah, I think this feels much better to me for now. What else is here? Or better is this? In downloaded WindSurf today. Cool. Do share your experience with it, like anything which you find, because I will be showing these cursor things. You can share what you find interesting on WindSurf, and then we can do kind of a comparison, which is better. Prithviraj, was there any giveaway? Prithviraj, that was just an experiment I was trying. Israr mentioned about one website called Nightbot, so I was just testing what that app looks like. Yeah. So the timeline view is shaping up. मिस्टर एक्सेप्शन, भाई इस कीबोर्ड का नेम एंड मॉडल कौन सा है? दिस इज़ लॉजिटेक MX कीज़. Hey, hi Shivanshu. Hello. What are you working on today? How was your day? Making changes to my freelancer profile and bidding on a few interesting projects. Wow, interesting, very interesting. Yeah, let's sit for 1 hour then and finish that up. Shivanshu, what are you working on today? I have just pinned the message on this chat. So, this is a web app which I'm currently working on. I'm working on majorly on this timeline component, if you see right on the bottom. So, you can, like in any video editor, you can technically split the timeline, you can drag and drop, and you can reduce its width of that component. So, this is what I'm working on, making it a bit modular so I can replicate the same thing on multiple layers, because there will be video layer, audio layer, then some animation layers, and we can add much more such layers. Hey Sam, how are you doing? Pop the days and start the real part. Here it is. Here, I don't want to I don't want to share this, but yeah, this is some nicotine patches. If someone is interested, I just tried experimenting with them. They are so powerful that I couldn't handle it, so they're just lying on my desk here. Sam tested it a few days back, and he knows how hard they are. In the Ray-Ban Meta Glasses review was amazing. Hey, thank you so much. Shivanshu loves that stuff. No, Shivanshu, it's an alternate to Zen. If you know Zen pouches, this this website is not available in your country. Shit, they have completely disabled it. It was available few weeks back, but yeah, so much Nikis. Yeah, Shivanshu and Himanshu are my brothers. I was seeing and listening Meta glasses even though I don't have one. But is if you put yeah, days is cheap. See, Shivanshu, I am a pro streamer now. See, I have bots running. Will not let you spam the chat. Bot's doing its job so seriously. Yes, I like this bot. you, you mean this guy, the chill guy? Hey Vishnu, welcome back. Yeah, what's happening with this thing? Vishnu, what are you building, bro? Please tell me. So Vishnu, I have pinned a comment here. This is a project, like my personal project, which I'm working on right now. And the core feature which I'm currently working on is this timeline view. So, uh, like, I'm making it modular as a solo component, which can be increased in its width and dragged across this timeline. And maximum width of this whole view could be, like 180 seconds. Yeah. And then once you do this, every time there should be a local state which we should know to handle the media. Hey, Aniket, how are you? How will you make money on this? Is it like SaaS or monetized through ads? This will be monetized with like it's a SaaS, yeah. So users will have to pay to use this service. The pricing is currently I'm setting it to like $20 a month initially, but yeah, let's see. Aniket, one question is Cursor's $20 plan any good? Aniket, I'm using that for last 6 months now, so it's really good for me. Recently, from these chats, I started to get to know about this windsurf, and the plan on that is $15. So maybe I'll try that as well in next week. But yeah, so far Cursor is working really well for me. The only feature which I liked about windsurf was, so for example in Cursor, it has made these changes. Now I have to accept it to see what these changes look like in this website here. But in windsurf, it shows you live here, and then you can accept it if you like it or not. So that's the good part of windsurf actually. Vishnu, how will you market it? Please explain that to me. So for marketing, there are a lot of plans. One of them is the post handle in itself is a marketing tool. So I'll be posting a lot about like this in shorts and reels. And another is talking about it on forums, Reddit, Product Hunt, Twitter, here on these streams. And yeah, and also I have like my own iOS apps. One of them is directly linked to this product, so yeah, I'll be promoting those users to maybe migrate to the web version of it if they want more customization on the videos they are already making. Vishnu, it's special for a programmer to see another programmer programming. Yeah, that's true. I used to watch a lot of such live streams in Twitch long back. I liked it, but sometimes you feel like again, it's I think it's against this stream, but I feel like sometimes we just watch someone doing something to just procrastinate on our own work. That's what I was doing. So maybe you guys are not doing that. Suggest me some of your favorite themes to use in Windsurf. So Hind, actually I use my own custom theme, this Dracula, because I moved from Android Studio, and this is the theme which I was using on that. So yeah, my favorite is Dracula with a little bit of my own customization. What's the difference between cursor free and paid? Cursor free is uh, so cursor free puts you on a queue. So for example, like I am asking this questions, it's replying quickly. It will not do that. It will put you on a queue, and then you will have to wait once you are in the queue. Sometimes it can take 10 seconds, sometimes it can take a minute, and it's not a good way, because once you are focused and you are doing something, you just have to wait a while for the answers. So yeah, it's like you're paying for time technically. And also, like in paid plan, you have these new models which are O1, O1 preview. Those are not available in free plan. Ore Ninja, hi bro, how's it going? Hey Ore, welcome back to the stream. I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? How was your day? And also the completion feature is limited and free. Yes. Shridat. Hey, hi Shridat. Welcome back. So in Ninja, we have made this much of progress. Not much. But yeah, we have proper segments for each thing. And this timeline view. Currently, I'm just fixing this cursor thing, which is a bug, which I'm currently talking to AI to fix. And yeah, apart from that, this dragging is happening, and this resizing of the timeline is also working. So yeah, we are doing good. Prithviraj, what are your thoughts on AI agents as it's a buzz right now? Which AI agent platform is winning right now? Yeah, Prithviraj, that's a very good question. So AI agent, I I personally use couple of AI agents. Like one of the project which I was working on is called this AI Sidekick. So yeah, don't go there. Don't try to make an account. It will not work because I have blocked new signups. But yeah, the idea was to create a marketplace of AI agents who can do specific tasks for you. And I was using LangChain back like 1.5 year back while I was working on this project. But now there are other companies who are building crazy agents, and one of the framework which you want to use is Crew AI or LangChain AI. You can go with anyone. You can build your own like chains of these agents who can work for you. And I find Crew to be a much better because their documentation is very clean, they keep it up to date, and there are a lot of good resources on their YouTube as well. So yeah, this I like Crew AI. And if you want a complete package which can work for you, that would be Gumloop. If you go here, so Gumloop is kind of an AI agent workflow. Like you can create your own workflow with AI. Yeah. And there are like templates which I talked yesterday as well about. And I'm using one of these templates to scrape some ads from Facebook Meta Ads Explorer and then see which one is working and experiment with that. So yeah, very bullish on agents. Even I want to plan like one proper video on AI agents, like how to create one, how can it help you. But technically we all will have a lot of agents in a year or so when these companies will become quite mainstream. Whoa, nice sir, GG. Thanks, Ore. And the section that you're making is a video editor, right? Yes, it's a video editor. So the idea here is, shit, chill guy is trying to sleep. Not so quick, buddy. And so this is what we are working on. This will be like a menu bar option. Here will, when you click on some of the options on this navigation bar, it will show up here. Then here will be the preview for your video, like how it looks like. And in the top bar, we can add some buttons, and there is this editor. So there are like all the video editor options available with the help of AI. So majorly this will be like completely AI filled video editor. That's the plan for with this. Sridath, how are you making revenue without doing 9 to 5 job? I'm interested to know at what point you decided to quit job and pursue full-time startup. You can make separate video on it. Yes, Sridath, I'll make a separate video. But yeah, for now, there are a couple of projects which are making money, and sometimes I do work on contract basis. And there are like some of the apps which started to give some kind of a Raymond profitability right now. I want to scale them as well. And that's what I do in the morning. These streams, this is my way of like not abandon this project, which was abandoned for almost a month. So yeah. Why did you stop working on your platform as it's in buzz right now? It might have blown. Yeah, my bad. The thing was back then when I was working on it, it was becoming too complex for me to work as a solo founder, like alone working on this. It would have taken me more than like 6-7 months to come up with a very basic MVP, which is like working and anyone else can use it. So I thought it's better for me to make something quickly and monetize it because I don't have that much of a run rate as if I was quitting my job as well. So yeah, pros and cons. I weighed pros and cons and I thought it's better to leave it right now to work on some other things. Can you show the UI designs? You mean for the current app which I'm working on? I can. Is the music playing here? I think the music also stopped, right? Let's keep it playing. So Vishnu, this is what the designs look like, which we made on Saturday. Not like very crisp, clear design, but a basic idea with some icons so that it becomes easier for me to implement the same on while I'm coding. But I'll like redesign some of it while I'm coding. It just gives me a kind of a mental clarity of what the thing will look like, and yeah, just to visualize. Creating a video editor is difficult. Yes, it's very difficult. Even the just timeline will take quite a lot of time, and if I have to make it right, like this time I have some good ideas how I want it to be. So yeah, let's hope if this gets done this week. The timeline view, yeah. Ukani Heth. Hey Ukani, welcome to the stream. What's your annual package? My annual package right now is 0. I don't, I'm not working. Give me some hint. Yeah, I'll give you the exact number. It's 0. Asking you question will lag your project, right? To be honest, I don't mind that, like, because uh, I'm chilling right now. It's like whatever progress I make, I'm happy with it, even if it's very small thing. It's just that I just keep on building this momentum on this project, and once I reach to a point where I see, okay, I'm making a good amount of progress, now let's focus on this, then I'll sit in the day session, or maybe in the live streams I'll not reply, just focus on work. But right now there are a lot of things to think about, which direction I want to go, because the direction is not super crystal clear. So yeah, it's okay if we go very slow as well. Pakoda, I am earning 0 million too. Yo, bro. Millionaires in the chat. So this is... this is the reason. Yep, this is good. Vishnu, which state are you from? I am from Uttarakhand, but right now I'm in Goa. Bro, is that the KP NFT toy on your desk next to Minion? Next to Minion, you mean this one? This is the chill guy. What is KP NFT? This is a KP NFT. Oh, I think, yeah, KP is the chill guy. Yeah, this is a chill guy, guys. Chill guy. This is on my desk, the crochet version of this chill guy. Yay, we made some progress. So now we have a pen which we can click and split this. Now we'll add the logic to split this timeline view, and this pin is coming all over across the timeline. See, this is a good progress. I'm happy with this. How was your day? Give us a day in a life of you. Cool. So yeah, that's a very good question. In today I woke up at around 8:30. Yeah, and because I had a very late sleep last night, I don't know, because I was my mind was not able to shut before 2 a.m. So I was trying to read something, then I started watching some reels, then it went like 2:30, and I woke up at 8:30. As it's Tuesdays are generally my water fast, So I didn't eat my breakfast. I was just I had my coffee and then I started editing my video. It was like just small changes which were required on it, some last minute color correction, basic editing, created a thumbnail. It took me almost 1 hour, and after that I went to the gym. I worked out a little bit, then came home, did some meditation, and after that I sat for 2.5 hour of work on auto reels where I'm like working on a new onboarding screen. Finished that. It's still pending, but yeah, I'm planning to make a new release, like a new version in iOS and Android by end of this week. That's one of the plan. uh, then in the evening I had my, like, I break my water fast at around 5:30. Then I went to the market because I am having one rash in my hand, like some insects bit me. So I got some ointment for that. Came back, had like just was reading a book before this stream, and now I am streaming with this. That's it. That was the day. Vishnu, I'm also planning to build a Arc browser clone. Wow. So I know someone in Goa who is also building an Indian browser, like a browser for India, and he lives very close here. I think Sam, if he's in the chat, he knows. He introduced him to me, like using open source project, combined Chromium, Proto VPN, and ad blocker from GitHub. Wow, that's a very big project. Like building a browser is no walk in the park, man. But yeah, all the best to you. I would love to know more about it. Yeah, both look almost same. Yep, the chill guy and the Kaka Bora. What is this? KP NFT. Yes. Also, I'm building an AI search engine for my college project. Oh, Vishnu, you're building so many things. Interesting. Shiv Chaudhary. Hey, Divyanshu, how are you? Hey, hi, Shiva. How are you? I'm doing good. So let's redesign this timeline pin a little bit. How does that sound? Where is the timeline pin? Where is the timeline pin? What did it do to the timeline pin? Why are you not? It is, let's say, 80%. Position. This is good. It's so nice to see you work out daily. Stay healthy. I want you to live more than 100 years. Thank you, Shiva. Thank you, India. Do you have a portfolio website? Shivam, so yeah, I have, like, if you go to divyanshunegi.com, it's not my portfolio per se, but you can go to my Bento page, which is much more updated. So if you go to bento.me/divyanshunegi, you can see a couple of projects which I worked on, and yeah, it's also not updated. Like there are a lot more other things which I have not updated here. You can also go to like divyanshunegi.com. It's my blog which I used to write a couple of years back. Vishnu, I'm planning to build browser like late this year. It's like anonymous web browser using Proto VPN and no ads using unblock, and everything's open source. I will be much easier. That's a very interesting project, Vishnu. Do let us know when you start on working on it. I also got a usable project idea for my shop. The idea is to put the GST bills of the items on the cloud so I can access the price detail at any time. Nice. So you have a shop and you are also programming this from your own problem. That's very interesting. And yeah, usually ideas which are built from your own, like struggles are generally are the cool ideas, because you are solving your own problem, and sometimes we all have like similar type of problems. So yeah, it's easy to market and easy to sell to others as well. This is what I have learned so far. Mm. This is okay, guys. So I think we have just 10 minutes and we'll wrap this up. I'm pretty happy with the progress today. You see the spin looking so nice, and we can start putting up like the split function and adding more timelines. The drag behavior is not as I was expecting, so we can work on that as well. Yeah, I always get confused when there are two similar items but the prices are different. Interesting. How can I increase my typing speed? Just type a lot. I don't think my speed is good compared to other people, but generally I'm pretty comfortable with it. It's just sit and type a lot. Yeah, Pakoda, you're right. Before you end this stream, I want you to promise me that you'll take a good sleep today with no thoughts in mind, just a piece. Thank you, and thank you so much for saying that. Yes, that's the reason I started this stream at 8:30 today, so that by 10:30 I can wrap it up, and I will have like 10:30 to 11:30 to wind down, and maybe by 12 I could sleep. But yeah, thank you so much for sending this message, man. Pakoda, which stack are you using? Pakoda, this web app is being built using Next.js and for CSS Tailwind, as you can see. And language is TypeScript. What else? The backend, I'm currently using Firebase for almost everything. And for AI, I'm using my own my own web services, which I built long back in AI Sidekick. So most of the logic, if I need to even update it, I update the AI Sidekick services. So yeah, that's the whole stack, which you can say. आज की रात मजाक कोडिंग की एरर से लीजिए. And do you feel any kind of body or back pain while sitting continuously on a chair? Because sometimes I do. What do you do when this happens? I do take a lot of rests, and I just stretch most of the time. I have a constant, like a shoulder pain on my right, like back shoulder blades. I have gone to physiotherapy for that, and they mentioned it's usually due to using a lot of this keyboard and your shoulder is like hanging. So yeah. Pakoda, good night, bro. We'll see you next time. Yeah, see you tomorrow, man. If you are free. I'm also leaving in like next 1 minute. Cool. So we have the stretching working as well. Now we can stretch from here and stretch from here. We can even drag. See, O1 works so good. O1 is goat. So yeah, guys, I think I'll wrap this up today. It was a very productive session for me. Hope it was for you as well. And I'll write the note completed the drag and resize for the timeline layer with the timeline pin as well. Perfect. So yeah, have a good night, guys. See you.